Do 2022 Ford Explorer wheel spacers do anything? The 2022 Ford Explorer wheel spacers are auto-upgrade accessories for those looking to position their vehicle's wheels more safely and efficiently. Of course, many people also use it to adjust how much the tire protrudes from the fender to change the style of their big truck. The wheel spacers are like the extension surface of the wheel hub, which can make the axle of the vehicle more prominent without changing any fork structure. That's how two wheel spacers work and can be done in auto modification. Bonus wheel spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forge makes the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and it has many outstanding characteristics. This melt has good mechanical properties compared with industry standards. By contrast, Bonus insists on producing professional wheel spacers, which are far higher than the industry's safety and professional standards. If you have any question about the wheel spacers, leave your comment. Thanks for watching and have a great day.